Pacquiao. Sa baba, sa taas. Ayan, sa baba, tapos pataas.
Has 2 knockouts in 4 victories. And Laroa that time connected with short punches to the head of Manny Pacquiao. Laroa missing with a right swing.
Well, as soon as Pacquiao, you watch out for the combination.
Manny Pacquiao.
Walang solid na connection ito yung he was able to extricate himself.
Well, under attack ito si Lito Laroa.
Nakalabas siya namang sumuntok ng pagdating.
Nice.
Taong 1995, nang makaharap ng ating pabansang kamao ang mas mabilidad na isa rin nating kababayan na si Lito Laroa.
Manny Pacquiao sneak in a few punches to the side of the body of Lito Laroa.
17 taong gulang pa lamang ang ating pambansang kamao sa laban na ito, mga idol bossing. At makakaharap niya dito ang mas mabilidad at veteranong si Lito Laroa. Mas malawak kasi ang karanasan nito, mga boss, kumpara kay Pacquiao. Mahigit 2 taon na kasi itong nakikipagbuno sa ibabaw ng lona dito sa loob ng Pinas at maski na rin sa ibang bansa. Samantalang si Pacquiao naman, mga boss, ay wala pang 1 taon na ipaglaban bilang isang professional. Kaya naman wika ng mga ibang commentators ay tagilid umano si Pacquiao sa laban na ito. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa Washington Sports Complex, Makati City noong October 7, 1995. Ang laban na ito, mga boss, ay isa lamang 8-rounder fight. Mas lamang po ng 2.5 pulgada si Pacman dito, mga boss. Kaya naman medyo nakakagawa ito ng mga diskarte, kabilang na ang mga jab. Si Lito Laroa noon, mga boss, ay may pangkalahatang laban na 12. Dumayo na rin ito sa ibang bansa at kung saan saang panig dito sa Pilipinas. Samantalang ang ating pambansang kamao naman, mga boss, ay may kartadang 6 na panalo pa lamang, walang talo, at 2 dito ay tinapos by knockout. Huwag na natin patagalin ito, mga boss, bakbakan na agad.
2 years ago, whereas ito si Manny Pacquiao turned pro only this year. Laroa just came back from Japan where he lost on points to Yasutaka Yamada. Yan po si Lito Laroa with 12 fights to his credit. Ito naman po si Manny Pacquiao, 6 fights lang. Panunurin po natin ito. Malalaman natin kung ipapakyaw ni Manny Pacquiao. Ito si Lito Laroa.
Alright, this should be a great fight. And of course, everybody is talking about Manny Pacquiao. He's only 17 years old. And yes, he has the potential to be a great fighter, but he has to go through the mill first. Dahil, oops, that's a slippery portion. Dahil siyempre, batang 17 anyos pa lang siya. He's 17 years old. He has had 6 fights and 2 knockouts.
And Pacquiao, of course, coming from General Santos City, which is a hotbed and breeding ground of world-class professional fighters. That is the hometown of the former world super featherweight champion Rolando Navarrete.
Bad boy from the Diangas. Okay, 8-rounder po ito, and this is the first round, so they're still measuring each other. Probing round pa po. Kaliwete po, the young boy in white, that is Pacquiao. Pareho silang kaliwete.
Well, nagkakasindakan ngayon, mga kaibigan, but Manny Pacquiao throwing a nice right jab. Again, Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito po si Lito Laroa. Very elusive target ito si Lito Laroa. He's not standing still. Laroa throwing also a nice nifty right jab.
Yes, and pareho silang hindi umaatras. Kaya maganda po ang salpukan natin mamaya mga in the next round or third round kung magkakasakitan na po, and they are going to have their hard exchanges.
No damaging blows so far, but we have seen Manny Pacquiao sneak in a few punches to the side of the body of Lito Laroa. Pero not too much action in this round so far.
Yes, Laroa also not...
Yes.
Kaya maganda ito.
Laroa has 2 knockouts in 4 victories. And Laroa that time connected with short punches to the head of Manny Pacquiao. Laroa missing with a right swing.
Well, as soon as Pacquiao, you watch out for the combination. As soon as Pacquiao finds the combination or the opening, dahil non-stop yan kung pumasok.
Pacquiao a little careful about bringing down his guard. I think he respects the punching power of Lito Laroa.
Ring wise also, kung kumilos ito si Laroa, talagang kilos veterano, marunong ng kumilos. fight.
Manny Pacquiao
There goes
teeing off on Lito
And he goes,
Laroa. But Laroa turning the tables on Manny Pacquiao.
Yes. Well, actually, Pacquiao wasn't able to connect solidly there, although he had pinned Laroa for a while.
Magandang hand speed ni Manny Pacquiao.
Oh yes, definitely.
Very quick combinations.
Ito, may mga pumapasok na. Baka nasaktan na si Laroa rito. May pumasok na dalawa kanina.
Manny Pacquiao is teeing off on Lito Laroa. Laroa is just covering up now in his shell. He's not
That's
fighting back too much. There you go.
He is
Laroa
countering.
now is coming back.
Yes, he's countering.
Laroa that
Pacquiao
time
should
connected
not
with a left
stop.
hook.
There's Pacquiao again. And he should go non-stop now. That's his style. Yes, that's it. Giving a lot of punishment now to Laroa.
And Laroa is forced to hold on. Masyadong
fight,
sport yung dalawang
Yeah.
boxer. They keep on touching gloves.
Maganda ito. Basta magsalpukan lang sila.
Ayun po, a nice combination from Pacquiao. Lito Laroa again covering up.
Non-stop fighting by the
Manny
young boy.
Pacquiao.
17 years old. Talaga nag-practice ng husto ito. Walang
And
tigil.
Laroa is just covering up. And
Yes,
there you go.
tumatiming.
Wakes up.
He slipped. He slipped. O, yan ang magulang. Tignan mo si Laroa. Kagaya ni yung nangyari kanina, tatalikod-talikod. Hindi pwede kay Laroa yun.
Medyo veterano na nito si Laroa. He has been a pro for 2 years.
I mean, that's
As
it.
compared to Pacquiao, who turned pro only early this year.
That's right. And that's it. Tumatiming nga si Laroa. Pinababayaan mo na niyang sumuntok para manghina itong batang to. He'll be spending a lot of effort sa missed, saka yung mga suntok na hindi naman pumapasok.
Well, remember, we are
Very wise.
for 8.
Yes, he's
Oo.
fighting wisely.
Ito si Laroa, tama
yes,
yun.
showing as a veteran, playing as a veteran. Although ito namang si playing as a young man.
Oh.
Talagang ito.
Parang niroropa dope ni
Oh.
ni Laroa yung laro.
Okay, here's slow-mo action from the previous round of our San Miguel Beer main event. This 8th-rounder.
And this was the slip.
That's right, between
And
Pacquiao
almost-
and Laroa.
Almost
inabutan.
oh.
No, kasi
Well, Lito Laroa certainly a big test here for Manny
sipat
Pacquiao.
ng bata. Talagang ang sipat. Super
Oh,
sipat.
and hand speed
Yes.
coming from Manny Pacquiao. A series of blows. A nice flurry by Manny Pacquiao.
Parang punching bag. Ginagawang punching bag ni Pacquiao ngayon si Laroa with his combinations. Look at that. He's having his way. Paminsan-minsan si Laroa tries to come back, pero masyado na siyang naiiwanan na sa puntos.
Pero maraming tira din si Manny Pacquiao. Not hitting the target, Romy.
True, that's true. But maybe he's landing 2 out of 5 or 6. So nauuna siya. Somehow Laroa has got to, like you said, come out more often. Hindi yung pinababayaan na lang niya si Del Bata ito eh.
Well, definitely. Pacquiao dictating the tempo
That's
of this
right.
fight so far.
Okay, we have slow-mo action here in round 4. Oh, that's the time when Pacquiao slipped in the corner of Laroa there. Hindi natin maiiwasan kasi ang basa eh. Basang earlier told me that they have given this young boy a new trainer because he didn't have a trainer before.
Well, Max Ferruzuelo is now in the corner of Manny Pacquiao. Ferruzuelo used to fight for Lito Mendojar during his days as a world-ranked mini flyweight contender.
That's right. And so they're trying to guide to give this young boy a break. And if they bring him up right, if they're not in a hurry, this boy will develop into something.
Once more attacking the midsection of Lito Laroa is Manny Pacquiao. A nice foot speed also being shown by Manny Pacquiao.
Yes, he has everything. He has all the moves. He's
Good lateral movement.
He's kumbaga, ano, Kinito, he's a rough diamond.
Yes.
He can be developed.
Ayun. Well, it looks like Lito Laroa is a little frustrated. At hindi niya natatamaan si Manny Pacquiao. Nanggigil ito si Lito Laroa.
If I
At
were
hindi niya maabutan ito si Manny Pacquiao.
That's right.